All right, everybody, this is the watch list for 7/18/2024, Thursday. Data this morning was light, didn't really cause a reaction. This is the daily chart we're looking at here. You can see that there was a push up leading up to CPI that reported last week, and there was a little bit of a rejection, then again a push up and a rejection, and a further push up, and then there was the assassination attempt, which also caused the market to fluctuate. And the RNC convention is happening. So you got a lot of outside news coming in that pushed this down. And so right now it looks like we're hovering about here. You can see that the volume picked up, which it's still really low volume, but it's much better than what it had been. So we can see that there was a push down, kind of a fight in between the buyers and sellers. Go ahead and move to the 1 hour on SPY. So I'm looking at the 1 hour on SPY. It looks like we've had a a bounce this morning. This is a level that I have marked out. Purples for me are special levels where I see things, but anything can happen at that level. For me, for whatever reason, when I pick those levels out, it really does seem to work. So you can see where it blasted through it yesterday, but it maintained. It held on the hourly, pushed back up, came back down, retested the line. Now it looks like we're moving back up. So red line here is pre-market high. So what I'm most likely looking for is a push above the pre-market high, a retest, and then a move up to go get this gap. If we start to break down and we move and we reject this pre-market high and start to move down, I'm going to start looking for shorts. And I'm going to use really some analysis on the price action to really make a decision. If we see it, I'll let you guys know later. Let's go to QQQ. QQQ has seemed like it's really been pushing the market around. Dow has been moving at all-time highs. QQQ has been moving the opposite way. Ever since about last Thursday, you've had a rejection of the all-time high, push back down. Again, this was yesterday, and we're moving into today. You can see where the volume picked up substantially over the previous day. We got a bounce here off of this 481.71 line. This is a previous gap that was there, but also a fib. You can see where we really just basically bounced the 78.6% on the fib, and we're moving back up. Same thing here. We've got a lot of different little levels here that I've been watching. A lot of it is really based around previous all-time highs. Some of it is fibs. So some of those will disappear as the day goes on. But what I'm really looking for is a break of the pre-market high, a retest, and then a move up. If we hold below, if we reject, and to be quite frank, I would really like it to at least move up to the 487 and then start showing weakness. If it does that, I am going to start playing downside, and we'll see how it's going. If you notice the overall trend, see if we can pull it back out, had been moving up, but we're starting to see some weakness. You can see here from a few days ago, and then we kind of see some weakness starting to kick in. So we're using the seat of our pants to call this one, but I'm feeling pretty strong that we're probably going to see a move back up to get the gap. If we move back up to get the gap, I'm going to start expecting a reject. We'll play it very cautiously in this area because this is where we're, so to speak, playing around with consolidation before a move. That's the watch list for 7/18. For you guys who are interested in learning how to trade, just the FYI, I'm only 2 years in, and already starting to see some profitability and some consistency. So I thought it'd be fun to follow the journey as I go through becoming an incredible trader. And again, I'm Willa with Willa Trades. We look forward to seeing you on a future video. Make sure you click the like and definitely subscribe for more.